If you're into coaching, consulting, and creating courses online, here are the 6 skills that is required to grow your knowledge business online in 2023. Hi, my name is Sagar. I'm an organic sales coach. I help info marketers or those who are selling courses, coaching, and consulting online with organic marketing strategies. So let's get started. So, what is the first skill and the first step of your knowledge business to create an offer? Okay, people started hunting for the clients even without knowing what exactly the offer is. Offer is not the product. Offer is much more than that. How you can add value to that product and give a deal in the market. And there is a three type of offer you can create. You can create a free offer, free value offer. You can attract a lot more leads toward your coaching business. Then you can create a paid offer that you can offer something in your webinar, workshop. That's the paid offer. And a premium value offer, those who are high potential client, those who need most value from you, the best support from you, you can offer them premium offer. So these are the three type of category that you can categorize into offer. So you need to learn of second is lead generation. Now when it comes to if you're in the starting phase, I don't recommend it to go run paid ads. I started running paid ads after I made over $50,000 with completely organic. So that's how I did it. So if you want to learn that, I do weekly free workshop for you. You'll find that link below. You can go and attend that for a 2-hour workshop. How I do. I completely showcase the step-by-step process to generate that organic lead. Okay. So first, you should not go paid ads. First, learn the real marketing by using organic methods. I have a lot of videos online to check it out at how I do organic way. The third is list building. So many people actually do this mistake is they don't build email list. Tomorrow, any point of time, social media will down or maybe vanish from the market. What will do? Your all followers, whether you have million followers, all followers will be vanished from the market. What will happen? You need to build email list. Email list is the biggest asset over internet. If you're ignoring it, email still works. My premium clients, they all are actually came through my email marketing. They never attended any of my live workshop. They actually came through my email only. So that's how you also need to work on how you can build an email system so that you can collect the data, and that data will help you throughout your life. Even you don't have any followers in the maybe you lose any followers any point of time, that will not affect you much. Okay? Because you have their own data. Because email is something that you should not ignore. The reason being, every single transaction we do over internet or maybe any sign up we do, we need email, right? So people open email every single day. So that's the reason you should not ignore email marketing. Once you build email system, then you need to work on your one-to-one sales skill. So if you're starting as an aspiring coach or already just started into coaching business, then you should work on your one-to-one sales skill first. First 5 people, 10 people sell through one-to-one. Then once you know the how the people are behaving, the customer behavior by talking one-to-one, then you go for one to many. One to many will give you a scale because you can serve so many people at the same time. But first start with one to one. Next skill, that is I will suggest you to work on one to many. How you can conduct webinar, workshop, masterclass, challenge, 5-day challenge, 3-day challenge, all these things through a huge scale. You can take like thousands, 1 lakh people in the one room. Okay. So that is something, the power of scale through power of webinar, workshop. So this is something one to many. Once you master it, you will be creating impact in scale. One to one is some limited. You can take limited people in a limited period of time, right? But you can serve one to many, like massive impact in one to many. So that is the fifth. The last but not the least is tribe building. That is something that I'm passionate about. If you are not building tribe, then you will feel burnout literally, because there is nothing to connect. Building a tribe is kind of building a family. My own tribe building mastermind. That's why my mission is tribe. So that's why my community name is a tribe building mastermind. So tribe is something that is helped me a lot, not just a sales, but giving a space where I can treat them like a family. They always very close to it. So similarly, when you build a community, you don't have to always be around that community will activate and they will start working by themselves. They will start helping with each other. That's the power of building a tribe. So how you are building a tribe is more important than just doing sales. And so to serve them in a community, they will be fired off and with your mission. So it should be a mission focused, not just a money focused a community. So that's how you will do it. I build community on Facebook. I build community on WhatsApp. So they are the tools, but the mission is to like help each other, not and keep accountable each other. Now somebody is winning, now to see that they are also inspired to take actions. So these are the things that is matter most. So if you are not building a tribe as a coach, you are doing biggest ever mistake. So because the more you build a tribe, that's how you will grow very fast, because people will activate like automation, like your business will run like god mode. So tribes helped me a lot too in my business aspect, in my financial aspect. But when it comes to impact, that is the, you can see, impact over income, that is something I want to create by building communities. So if you want to learn from me more, so you can definitely attend my free training, free workshops I do for completely free, no charge, nothing. And if you are sure, like you think like you wanted to be part of our community, you always welcome. Just connect with me any social media, and let's discuss what exactly your goal and how I can help you further. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be sharing a lot of resources to just check it out. All the things, that skills to learn the skills, that something training, something courses you need to learn that. So just check it out in the descriptions. I'll see you inside.